Hello and welcome back to Connor's Crypto Trading. In this video we're going to be talking about Turbo, its short-term upside targets and short-term downside targets, as well as long-term upside targets. Well, since the last video we had a retest of the low at 0.007, and since then we went all the way back up to 1.2 cents. And then since that, we've had a back test of the 382 at 0.0096. Now, what are the next downside targets if we continue to go down? Next target is the 236 at 0.008. From where we're at, it's roughly 13.5%. And I see it holding that range, but if it does break that, then we will retest the 0.0069 to 0.007. And that is 30% from where we're at. Now let's switch over to Bitcoin. As I was saying, if we are going to see some more downside, probably will due to Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is somewhat holding support at 94,992, almost 95,000. And your next targets to the downside is right around 93,000, and from where we're at, that's only about 2% away. But if we break 93,000 with a lot of volume, then we're looking to go down to the 80,000 range. And 80,000 is roughly 13.5%. Now if it holds to 99,000 would be the next target. It's 4% away. After that is 104,000, and then above that is the high at 108,000. 104,000 is 9% away, and 108,000 is 13% away. And once we get over the high, the next target is right around 120,000. And from where we're at, that's roughly 25%. Now let's switch back to Turbo. Actually, let's switch to the Bitcoin dominance. So you can see the Bitcoin dominance is starting to come down. That was somewhat of a bull flag formation that formed down there, and we ended up going up and hitting resistance. Now it's starting to turn into a bear flag, and we should see alt season happening very soon, starting in January to February. Now let's switch to the USDT dominance. So we did break the low by a little bit, but had a retest of prior higher lows. And once again, it's looking like a bear flag for US. Well, actually, we could see some upside for the USDT dominance for the short term, but after that, it should go down. Now let's switch back to Turbo. Your next short-term upside targets, if these levels hold, are the 0.5, that's at 1 cent. That's 7% away. After that is the 618, that's 17% away. The 78, after that's the 786 at 1.2 cents. and that's 23% away. And then you have the all-time high up at 1.4 cents, and that's 50% away. What are the next upside targets after 1.4 cents? Next targets are 1.7 cents. That's 84% away. And then after that is 2 cents, 2.5 cents, and that's 156%. And then after that is 3 cents, 228%. Now your long-term upside targets, well, I should say your highest short-term targets are as high as 10 cents. And from where we're at, let's see, 10 cents is roughly a 10x away. A little less than a 10x. Now that is your highest short-term target, and your highest long-term targets are also 10 cents to as high as 50 cents. And 50 cents is roughly a 48x. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your night or day.